Without a doubt, one of the things that creates a lasting impression when you send an email is your email signature. And in case you do not know what an email signature is, it is that design right under the email you send. And a lot of persons just use simple text and get their email signature ready. But making a beautiful email signature ensures that you actually make that lasting impression for whoever reads your email. And this is where Signature Hound comes in. Signature Hound, it's actually an easy email signature generator. And the beautiful thing is you can actually work with templates, or if you are a developer, you can actually create your own custom, and it allows so much flexibility. Even as a non-developer, you could change anything, put social media icons and so many things, coloring, everything at your fingertips. And it's also easy to install and easy to share also with your colleagues. For example, I have been able to create some for some brands. Like this is one for a particular brand. You can see how beautiful it is. The links are actually clickable, and you can easily add an image under your email signature. I even did this with my own WordPress agency. This is simple and yet it's memorable, you could agree. And I tried one for myself, and just to give a basic feel of how you can actually use it, not just for a brand but even just for your personal email address. And one thing you'd notice here is that it's easy to install. All you need to do when using Signature Hound is just to install whenever you are done designing. So it gives you the flexibility to install in whatever format. So if you are using Gmail or whatever, if you are using something like Zoho, you can just simply copy Signature to clipboard and put it on your Zoho installation, or Zoho email rather. And you can also share. And the beautiful things about this sharing is that when you share link and you share to your colleagues, what they would be able to do is that they will be able to change their names, their position and whatever, but they will be able to change phone numbers, they'll be able to change email address. But when it comes to the brand identity, it's all intact. In other words, your brand link, okay, let's take for example, this is ASEP Logistics. If I share this with the ASEP team, if for example we have the operations officer will be able to change their name, their position, the company names remains there. They will be able to change the email and the phone number, but they won't be able to change the contact address, the website address, and even the social links, because it's on a company-wide level. And even this banner right here, that's how flexible it is with this option of share. So you can actually try out Signature Hound and see how it works for you, and it's free. That's how beautiful it is. And I believe they actually allow donations. I do not know, but if they do, please, you can actually donate to them. Yes, they do. You can actually donate to them because it's a free service that it's actually worth it. It's actually better than most of even the paid email signature generators out there. So if you found this video helpful, you can like and you can also share to others who may need this. But for now, I am Great Opomu, your digital educator.